art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lost Primos Valentine's Day edition, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to start by splitting the faces in half. So we're going to come in towards the middle and we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming further out to the left. Closing off the head on the left hand side, we're going to flatten this out, bringing this line over towards the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, creating a nice big rectangle. Let's close this off on the side now. So we're going to bring this line down towards the bottom. Let's draw a diagonal line coming out on the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing, bringing that up slightly on the bottom. Again, from here, let's close this off with a curved line, tucking that down in the back. Let's close off that head on the right. So from this line here on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same height. On the top, let's pull this line through, flattening that out. And then again, we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same width. Now let's bring this line down on a diagonal again. Same thing on the top, pulling this diagonal line through. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom. We're going to close this off with a slight curved line, pulling this all the way down. Now let's close off the face in the center. So right in the middle here, we're going to flatten this out. And then we're going to, from that point, tuck this out on a diagonal. We'll do the same thing as we move up because this face is coming through on a diagonal. So stepping up slightly, another diagonal line coming across. And then again, pulling this down towards the side. Now in the center, we're going to draw in two straight lines for the nose. And then we'll flatten this out with a straight line again. Now let's draw in the mouth. So stepping underneath, we're just going to draw in an arch line for that smile. And now let's draw in the heart eyes. So coming over in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and through towards the center. And then from that point, just curving this back around and in. Let's step across. So again, curving this around and down towards the middle. And then again, stepping over, curving this over and through. Let's move across. Again, rounding this out, curving this down in the center. And then again, stepping over, curving this over and through, connecting that in the middle. Again, let's step across, arching this around and down. And then one more time, curving this over and through, connecting that at a point. Now we're going to add in the heart headbands on top. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We'll draw in two diagonal lines on the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now we're going to draw a heart. So from the middle here, we're going to curve this line around and down. And then again from the center, curving this around, back through, connecting that at a point. We'll do the same thing on the left. So stepping in towards the middle, curving this out and down in the center. And then again on the right hand side, curving this over and through towards the middle. Now let's come over on the right, drawing in another headband again. We're going to curve this over. On the top, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines on the left, stepping over, replicating that on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line around and in. And then again from that point, curving this back over and through towards the center. Let's move across in the middle, curving this around and down. And then again, one more time, arching this over and through towards the center. Now let's draw on the body. So from moving further in from the head, we're going to draw in a straight line coming down on both sides. We're going to flatten this line out on the left. And we'll pull this one more through on a diagonal towards the right. Let's flatten this out as we come in towards the top, leaving space for the arm. Now let's draw the arm in the middle. So we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal and then moving underneath, closing that off again. Now let's close off the arm. So we're going to curve this out and in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this out, pulling that back through towards the top. Now let's focus on the legs. So on the left-hand side, we're going to pull this line down. We're going to, from that corner, bring this line down and across. and then we'll bring this back through towards the bottom. We're going to close this off with a diagonal line. Stepping up again, let's replicate that. And then from that corner, another diagonal line. For the stomach here, another diagonal line pulling through. Now let's flatten this out. So on the bottom, we're going to pull this line straight across. We'll do the exact same thing on the top here from that line. We're going to flatten this out, bringing this straight down. And then we're going to draw a slight diagonal line coming in, pulling that back up towards the top. Now from here, from that line, let's flatten this out. And then again from this corner on the top, bringing that over. Let's draw on that right leg. So again, coming down, we'll bring this line out and then through towards the bottom. We'll tuck this line back in on a diagonal. Again, from this corner, another diagonal line coming through. Now from this line, we're going to draw in a straight line coming out from the top and bottom. And then we're going to flatten this out on the side. Let's draw in a small diagonal line coming in. And then again, we're just going to bring this line up on the side. Now we're going to draw a diagonal line on the back, flattening that out on the front. And then from this line on the inside, just bringing this line over to that corner. And now we're going to mirror this in the opposite direction. So on the back here, we're going to pull this line straight down. We'll step in from this corner, bringing this down and across. And then we're going to bring this line straight down again, ending this on a diagonal. We'll bring this diagonal line all the way through on the back. We'll do the same thing from the stomach here. Now from this line, we're going to bring this line over. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. And then we're going to close that off with a straight line. Let's draw a small diagonal line coming in. And then we'll bring this back through towards the top. Let's draw a straight line across in the center. And then again, we'll pull this back through on a diagonal on the back. Let's move up from corner to corner, just closing that off with another diagonal line. And now let's move across. We're going to bring this line down and through. And then we'll flatten this out by bringing the straight line down. We'll pull this diagonal line through on the back. We're going to flatten this out on the front. So 2 diagonal lines coming across. And then we'll flatten this out on the side. Now from here, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming in. And then we're going to pull this through towards the top. Now in the middle, let's bring this line across and then back through on a diagonal. We'll do the same from that corner, bringing that out. And then we're going to flatten this line out on the very top there. And that is it. That's how you draw Lost Primos Valentine's Day edition from Steel or Brainrot. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.